Hey everyone, this is Ashish, co-founder of Tidy Hire. You have probably seen Ria make calls, speak in different languages and qualify lists on her own. That's great. But the real magic happens when Ria plugs into your everyday tools and processes. Today I'm going to show you how we use Ria at Param.ai to handle demo requests from start to finish. At Param, we use Tally.so to create the demo request. Think of it as Google Forms. The prospect fills out our demo request on Tally.so. Right away, Ria kicks in, calls the prospects, ask a few questions about their goals and challenges, and jots down the answers. During the call, Ria also asks for the prospect's availability, pulls the team's calendar, and then books the demo meeting. With a single click, the demo is on both the calendars. No more back and forth on emails. She then sends a summary to our Slack channel so the team knows exactly who's ready for a demo. Before the meeting, Ria sends personalized messages on WhatsApp at 2 hours and 30 minutes out. Each message has buttons like I'm in, I cannot make it, or reschedule it. If there's no reply, Ria follows up again 30 minutes before the call. All right, let's jump into the demo. So now you are seeing the screen of Param.ai. So what I do now is just request the demo. So in the background, what's happening? So this entire information is going to be here. So Ria's collecting this information. And at very moment, she will make a phone call to the prospect. So let's just wait for Ria's call. Okay, so we have started getting call from Ria. Okay. Let's pick this up and see. Hello.
Hi, am I speaking with Ramesh Future?
Hello.
Hi Ramesh, this is Ria from Paramare. The report showed interest in how our tool can help with screening at your company. But just checking if now the good time can
Yeah, it's a good time to talk.
great. To make sure I'm checking the belt, are you the bottom the hiring or part of the talent acquisition in my cardboard?
Yes, I do.
Awesome, Ramesh. Could you tell me which recruitment tasks you're most interested in automating to see your team done?
So we are studying in screening the candidates who get a lot of volume hirings, especially campus hirings and all. So screening is a problem for us. So we're looking for some tools which can help us.
Thanks for sharing it. Got to get a clearer picture. How big is your hiring team right now?
So we are a team of 13 members.
Got a team of one having all the can be a lot. How come I'm looking to start using an automation tool like Parafly to train?
So we can get started, like probably in a month or so.
I did you're looking to get started soon. It is the next hot prospect for to confirm. Are you mainly hiring for high volume positions only, or do you also recruit for specialized roles?
Mostly high volume goals. The specialized also will be minimal, but yes, mostly high volume goals.
Would you be interested in setting up a quick 15-minute demo this week so I can show you how Param AI works in action? Okay. I prefer keywords in an extension, and I've been to one step of this.
Yeah. I'm having next week, maybe Wednesday 3 p.m.
Thanks for letting me know. How about we schedule the demo for a week? Because Monday or Tuesday better for you.
Yeah, Monday 5 p.m. also.
Monday sounds good. Can I suggest a time? Maybe 10 a.m. or 2 p.m., which works best for you?
2 p.m.
Okay. I'll note your schedule for Monday at 2 p.m. Looking forward to showing you how column AI can help streamline your screening process. Additional as a reminder to over to anything else you'd like to know before that.
No, I think I'm good. Yeah, thank you.
You're very welcome, Ramesh. Have a great day. And talk to you on Monday at 2 p.m. Take care.
Thanks. No, bye. Yeah, so that was the call that just happened with Ria. Uh, right. So now what Ria should be doing? Let's just check this, right? So this is the first automation or the first workflow. Like whenever there's a form submission, right, then Ria basically makes a phone call. Right? And once the phone call is done, right, so basically this entire once the phone call is done, then Ria gets the entire transcription. It analyzes that, then it extracts data from this particular call. Right? Then from the data that Ria has extracted, then it picks up this, like blocks the calendar of the prospect and the team. And then he summarizes the conversation in a human readable format and then sends it in Slack. Right? So also, what we have done, right? So before the event or before the meeting, Ria actually calls the prospect 2 hours before the meeting to make sure that the number of no shows are actually reduced, right? So it has buttons, multiple buttons like yes, I'll be able to make it, or no, I'll not be able to make it, or reschedule. All right. If the prospect has not responded in 2 hours and Ria then again follows up with the prospect 30 minutes before the meeting, right? Okay. So looks like we have got a message on Slack. It must be the summary from the user. Let's just check that. And in the meantime, we should also get a meeting blocked in our calendar, right? Because the prospect actually blocked at some time. So let's check that. Let's go to our calendar and see if we have something here. Okay, let me just check my email. Oh, okay. So we have this email where it says, like there's a meeting that has been set up and 2 guests are already invited here, right? So let me just open Slack. Yeah. So in Slack also, like I have all the details. So it's not a problem. Like what are the tasks, the challenges that the prospect is assessing, right? What kind of hiring volume they're doing, right? So all of this entire conversation is summarized well for the team, right? Uh, and now there could be scenario where the user actually probably doesn't want to join the meeting or he has some other plans he want to reschedule it, right? So we have a workflow for that as well. So what we have done, like if the prospect responds something on WhatsApp, right, or they clicks on the button saying that they're attending the meeting or they're not attending the meeting, right? So based on that, like whatever response they have, so we push that response back to Slack so that our team knows if the prospect is attending the meeting or not, right? So that actually helps save a lot of time for our team. So, okay, so that was a long demo, but the point is Ria was using 5 different tools seamlessly to bring an experience which make sure our team only talks to qualified prospects. And our no-show rate has dropped dramatically. And since Ria can work along different apps, like over 300 applications to be precise, you can drop her right into your existing workflow. And that's the wrap. Thank you for watching. Ria isn't just another AI agent. She becomes part of your exact workflow to capture, qualify, schedule, and follow up with your best leads. If you're ready to see how this can supercharge your demos and slash no shows, head over to Tidy Hire or drop us a line. My DM is always open to start a conversation. We can't wait to help you turn more conversation into real customers. Goodbye.